Hey y'all, so I'm about to make some mango sorbet. Yesterday I went and I was doing a little shopping and I came across the coconut lady and I got a coconut. If you follow me on social media, you'll see me with my little coconut. And I also picked up some mangoes from her because they were nice and big. Like they might look small on my phone, but they're nice and big and really, really soft. So I decided to just go ahead and make sorbet with it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to break this down a bit before I add the lemon juice. We're adding lemon juice so I can add a little pick-me-up in there. I feel like just the mangoes, it'll be kind of dead. Like it won't have like a little thing in the back to be like, you know. So, yeah, this is what my mango looks like. It's so sweet. I mean, I wish I could just tell y'all how sweet this mango is. But we still have to add some sweetener in here, which we're going to move on to next. But post this and then we're going to add the lemon juice. Alright guys, so in this pot here I have 1 cup sugar. To this you're going to add 1 cup water. Put it on the stove and just bring it to a simmer until it becomes slightly thickened or reduced by half. And then that's going to be the sweetener for our sorbet. Y'all already know I'm holding the phone, so I have to do what I have to do. I know it looks ghetto. So you're going to add your lemon juice down in here. Of course, you don't want to get any seeds because you'll never be able to fish these out. Once I post this again, I'm going to strain it because I want my sorbet to be really, really smooth. After we strain it is when we're going to add some of our simple syrup. Again, my mango is really sweet. So it all depends on how sweet your mango is and how ripened your mango is for you to adjust your sweetness. Alright, so this is what my simple syrup looks like after 2 minutes of simmering. 2 minutes, that's it. 2 minutes. Then you're going to let it cool all the way down before we add it to the mango. Alright guys, so I'm just going to strain this out. Most likely going to do half of the time. It's going to take you a little bit just to get it strained out, but just be patient with it. Alright guys, so this right here in the strainer is what you don't want because that's very like, you know, fibrous. And this right here is what you want. It's nice and silky, silky smooth. Clearly I made a mess, but yeah. Alright, so I'm going to take a 1/3 cup of my simple syrup and pour it down in there. Mix this up gently. Remember, you can always taste as you go. I don't want mine too sweet, so that's why I'm only adding a 1/3 cup of my simple syrup. I did add a pinch of salt. If you need an exact measurement, I would say it's about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, just a little bit. So bring out the flavor of the mango. Pop this in your refrigerator, you know, preferably overnight, but 4 to 6 hours should be good before adding it to your ice cream maker. Alright you guys, so this chilled overnight. It's really, really nice and cold. I have my machine already set up. To this, I'm going to add the Keith Lorren Gourmet Dessert Seasoning. I wanted to spice this up a bit, so I'm going to add maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of it down in there. Of course, this is to taste, so make sure you taste it. Maybe you want more, maybe you want less. But I wanted to do a little something different because everyone knows how to make sorbet, and I wanted mine to stand out. And I'm obsessed with his dessert spice. You guys should order all of his spices, all of his sauces. They're amazing. Alright, so now I'm going to pop this down into my ice cream machine. Alright, my machine is nice and ready to go. I'm just going to pour my mixture down in here. My machine runs for 20 minutes. Make sure you read the manufacturer details on your machine. Alright guys, this is how pretty, nice, and soft serve it is. I want it a little tighter, so I'm going to pour it all into a bowl and put it back in the freezer for maybe 30 minutes. Then I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. You can see the little specks of spices in there. I can't wait to try it. This looks so good. Alright guys, so this is what my sorbet looks like. Now we're going to taste it. I let it set up in the freezer a bit. Look how smooth and creamy this is. You can see the little specks of spice down in there. The lemon picks it up. The spice picks it up. It's nice and cold and creamy. Super mango flavor. Honey, I'm going to be making sorbet all summer long. You hear me? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Don't forget to check out my description box. Always don't forget to follow me on social media. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.